Good morning students. Welcome to Science Virtual Classes. Yesterday we have started chapter 9 of science book and today we have continued the same chapter fuels. Yesterday we have learned the different types of fuels, solid, liquid and gaseous, uses of fuels and the domestic fuels. Now today we have studied the fuels for transportation and electricity generation. You already know that trains were earlier run with the help of the steam engines. In these engines, steam was produced by burning coal, and nowadays train engines use either electricity or diesel. Vehicles like buses, car, scooter, truck, tractor run on petrol and diesel, and many of buses and car now use CNG as a fuel form. You already see that buses, auto rickshaw, car use CNG as their fuels because CNG powered the vehicle have low maintenance cost and the better efficiency, and CNG is called green fuel. Question is, why CNG is called green fuel? Because it causes less air pollution, it is more eco-friendly, and it causes less harm to the health of human and animals. So CNG is called green fuels. Now in aeroplanes. Aeroplanes commonly used highly refined petrol as fuels. Highly refined petrols that is used few year, but now in aeroplanes we have used the highly refined kerosene based fuel known as aviation turbine fuel. Common is in short form ATF. This ATF is used in aeroplanes. Now, do you know electricity generated by using the energy of water falling from a height is called hydroelectricity. Hydro means water, means electricity is generated by water is called hydroelectricity. But my dear students, here we have discussed the fuel, and fuels are used for generating electricity. First of all, we have take the example of coal. Powerhouses burn coal to convert water into steam, and this steam energy is used to operate turbines, which in turn help to generate electricity. In this method of generating electricity is not eco-friendly. It is not eco-friendly. It is being gradually given up. Other better and more eco-friendly methods we have used in our day-to-day form. Fuels for generating electricity. In our thermal plants, coal is used. First of all, how do we generate electricity? There are the few steps. First one, burn the coal. Water get heated up. Production of steam. Turbine turns and produce electricity. These are, I am writing here the some short point to fuels are generate to electricity. Next one, fuels and machines. Earlier, household works like washing clothes, washing utensils, spinning, weaving, separating cotton from seeds and so on were done manually. This was time consuming and very slow process. Hand operating machines were then developed to us to do these jobs faster and in the less stirring manners. Later on, machines working through the steams means generating by the burning coil were invented, and that is the result in the increase in the demand of coal. Railway, ship, powerhouses and factories required large supply of coal, and the reserve of the coal in nature start depleting rapidly. Coal cannot be replenished easily as nature take a very long time to make it. To meet these challenges, steam engines were gradually replaced by other engines which were liquid fuels like petrol and diesels are used. Petrol, diesel and kerosene all are obtained by refining crude oil. Crude oil means petroleum, and petroleum is also in the reserved in nature and also limit and cannot be replenished easily. So we have used these coal, petroleum in limited quantity. Thank you so much. Take care, and tomorrow we will meet again a new topic of this chapter. Thank you so much.